Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back to Super Creator Family. I need you guys to load this up with comments, likes, like that the YouTube algorithm can get these videos out to new potential investors, and you guys can show off this project that launched perfectly and is doing fantastic. Okay, we're gonna get to the OpenSea prices in a little bit, but I wanted to cover this post right here that somebody put. I think it's Sukaina. Okay, so hopefully I pronounced that right, but this is basically the epitome of what you want to see. Okay, we got, well, the art has to be beautiful and a sight for sore eyes. The utility makes it worth the while to hold a strong diamond hand and benefit in the non-financial way in the long run. But community for me might be the most important. We have all of this as super creators, NFT. Okay, make sure you guys load this up with comments and likes. This is very true. Bring those good vibes. Come over here, share the love. Share this vibe that you guys got and this amazing art that you guys got with this utility and this project. Okay, so come over here if you guys are new to the channel. If you guys are new to my my Twitter channel at CryptoRico12, make sure you come over here, hit the follow button, hit the bell notification so you guys don't miss out what's going on with this project. Okay, now we're gonna get to this NFT collection and why I'm pretty pumped up, because this price continues to grow. I don't want nobody to miss out. This was one of my money bag alerts before they even revealed these NFTs. So I need you guys to get tapped in and really pay attention to this one. This one should be on everybody's radar as it continues to grow. Just a little while ago, I seen it at 4.1. It's no big deal that it ticked back just a little bit. We're going to have that trading volume happening. It's just like anything else that's trading. But I want you guys to pay attention to this one and not get shooken out of your spots. This project's so early, and considering the way that it's rocking these prices little by little, and it's going to go right back to 4.1 as everybody can see. And then we'll be at 4.2 and very quickly get to the 4.5s. Those who got to mint, those who got in very early, do not get shooken out of your spots. Look, we'll be at 5 Ethereum very, very fast. And what's going to happen, people are going to be kicking themselves in the butt a little bit if they sell too early. That's why you don't want to invest more than you're willing to lose, and not necessarily saying that you're willing to lose it, but you don't want to invest more. You don't want to use your rent money to invest. You don't want to use your light bill money to invest. Like that, you can sit on your hands and wait till this utility starts to grab traction. This is barely just the beginning. I'm covering these videos. This is going to create a lot of buzz. It's going to keep growing, and it's not going to be, like, to me, it won't be a surprise to see these at 10 Ethereum in the coming months, maybe even sooner. It just depends. If you diamond hand hold these, it's going to really work out for those who got in very early in the beginning. I love these numbers, the 333. I mean, this is it right here. These are all prime numbers. They got a lot of good things going on for this project right here. The community is definitely the height of everything that's going on, but the utility. Remember on the other video that I dropped, if you didn't see it, is I talked about how they have the legends coming out as well. So there's so much more utility to come out in the future with super creators that I don't want those who got in early to miss out on these high prices later on that you guys can be selling and get a good return on your investments. Okay, so this is just a video to continue the hype that you guys most definitely deserve, and a reminder to sit on your hands. Diamond hand holding is going to pay off in the long run, because this one's getting a lot of traction. Once the utility gets traction, we're going to see 10 Ethereum very easily. So continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.